I'm going to walk you through how you can build a simple 5-page website for your business, a homepage, services, testimonial, blog, and contact page using AI almost instantly. I'm going to see if I can shatter a record. Are you guys ready? All right, let's jump in. So the first thing that you're going to need, obviously, is your WordPress infrastructure. Hopefully you guys have that set up. If you don't, make sure to subscribe to this channel. That's all we talk about here. We're going to go to zipwp.com. Now, this is the AI generator that's going to build the pages for us. If you come up here to pricing, they do have a free plan, okay? If you want this pay per use, it's $80 a one time. You can generate 5 AI sites. But you can also come down here to the free plan. Try the free plan. Okay, I already have an account, so I'm not going to actually jump in and create an account, but you can sign up with Google. You can also sign up with your email. Okay, once you install that onto your WordPress website, we are going to jump right in, and it's going to give you this kind of step-by-step walkthrough. Okay, there's 5 steps here, and it's going to take all of this information and build out a site for us. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm a life coach and motivational speaker. What type of website is this for? You can see, you can select your options down here. I'm going to say entrepreneur, English, and let's go to the next step, which is describe. Now, the cool thing here is you can also use AI to describe what you want to accomplish. Okay, so I am a So let's hit this improve using AI. So let's see what it comes back with. As a life coach and motivational speaker, I empower middle-aged parents navigating the transition back to corporate life after parenthood. Based in a dynamic urban setting, I offer tailored coaching sessions that address unique challenges faced during this pivotal change, so on and so forth. Okay, so you can see you can take a simple sentence, hit this AI button down here, and it's going to generate a very detailed description for you. Okay, we're going to jump into the next. The next step here is contact. Okay, so I'm going to put in my email address, phone number. That's not my actual phone number, by the way. Address. Okay, so this is going to be used down in the footer. I'm not going to actually fill this out right now, but we're going to click next. Okay, so here's where you can actually select images, and based on your niche, you can actually type in some search terms up here. For example, it did have life coaching in there. Motivational speaking. So what images do we want to use? And you can actually upload your own if you want. Over here on the left-hand side, upload your images. Okay, you can do that if you already have some images, professional images, anything that you would want to use on your website. So let's just pick some generic ones here. So life coaching. Let's maybe change it up between more vertical and horizontal. That way we can come up with some different layouts for our website. All right, so we have 5 images selected. Now let's go to the next page where we're actually going to select the design. Okay, this is the layout on the pages. What pages do we want to include? You can see here it's generating different previews, and I'll fast forward through this so you guys don't have to wait. All right, so this is loading up over 40 different templates that you can design from. Okay, so what I would do is scroll through here and see what captures your attention. I like the kind of clean minimalist look. I like this one here a bit. Let's scroll down and see what else they have. Again, you can see how it's already incorporating our language, the images that we selected into these pages. This one's pretty clean too. Now it all depends on your brand, what kind of look you're going for, and just know that you can go in and update all of this after the fact as well. Select this one. This one's pretty clean. Okay, open design in a new tab. So if we scroll down here, you can see kind of the layout, very professional, loads quickly, which is very important. Has your blog set up here for you. Okay, so we're actually going to go back and let's select this one. Okay, now we can upload a logo and we can do some additional tweaking here with the fonts, color palette, a brand guideline. You could update that here. And let's actually continue with this. And now we're going to select different pages that we want. So now, as I mentioned at the front of this video, we're going to create a blog, a contact form, and you can see here there's additional options, but we're going to keep it super simple. Okay, let's start building. Now, this is going to take all of that information, the content, our niche, the design, the images, everything. It's going to build out the 5 pages for us, link all of the pages together. It's a full-blown website ready to go. Okay, we're going to let this load here. All right, once it's done here, voila, you can see we have a site ready to go. The navigation up at the top. You can see we didn't upload our logo, so it's just going to say the coach here. We have an about page, a services page, blog, contact, and they're all linked. So if I click on the services, it's going to take me over to my services page, where I will show you how you can edit these pages super quick, okay? We have the navigation down at the bottom. Everything is mobile optimized, ready to go, okay? So inside the WordPress dashboard, we're gonna go over to pages, and here are the pages, okay? We have our home page, which is our front page. We have the about, we have the blog, contact, and the services page. So let's say I wanna change something on the home page, okay? We're gonna click on the home page here, and we're gonna click next. This is the first time in this actual build, so I'm actually going to X out of this. Okay, so here is the builder. So if I want to come in here and change some text here, change the image, everything is super simple to use. Okay, everything you can hover over. You can change the headlines to, let's say I want to remove the word successfully. There we go. We can change paragraphs here. Say I wanted to update this here with my own image in the background. You can see over here on the right hand side, when you click on one of these containers, you have additional details, the width, the height, kind of the overflow if it's showing on desktop, mobile, and things like that. You can also click on the style. Okay, so here's where you can actually change your image. You can change the position, kind of drag it around, depending on how you want it to show up on the page. So if we wanted to change the image, I could just come here and search some images. Let's say online coach. Okay, so this is using, I believe it's Pixabay. So these are all free images that you can use. Let's just do this one just for sake of an example. Okay, so we can do original size. Let's do medium here. Insert image, and depending on the size, it does play a role in the page load. Okay, so if you select a larger image, it's going to affect the page load speed. Okay, so here we go, ready to go. So you can scroll down here. The page, again, ready to go. If you have some testimonials, just update the text here. You can update the images here as well, all within the styles over here on the right-hand side. You can see, just change the image here. Okay, so that is how you will design that. And once you're done, you come up here and click save. And if you wanted to preview it, you can just view this, hit the little arrow icon there. And there we go. The blog, let's click on a blog. Okay, so it actually loads some blog posts for you. This is kind of the default layout. Okay, so super clean, simple, super simple. You can put comments down here. So what I would do here is, if you are writing a blog, let's come back into the WordPress dashboard here. Under the posts, you can see these are the blog posts that it wrote for me. Okay, so you can come in here, create blog posts. It's automatically going to show up on the blogs page. Okay, so everything is dynamic. If you guys are familiar with WordPress and writing blog posts, that's how that works. Okay, so everything you need ready to go. Let's just run through these pages really quick just to show you just how professional and quick this actually is. Okay, so we have this home page here. Let's go to the about section. Empower your transition. Now this is really very clean. I like the use of white space with this one. Okay, so you can kind of put your unique process here. Can ask them to get started, book a call, whatever your call to action is. Okay, and let's jump into services. Okay, so personalized coaching, work-life integration, confidence building. So if you don't already have your program set up, this will could spark some ideas for you. Okay, so get you going on the right path. Blog post we kind of already did. Okay, so again, every time you publish a blog post, it's going to show up here automatically. Okay, we'll just need to add an image to it. And then for contact, this will just have your contact information here. You can obviously update the links for all your social media accounts, and then the contact form here, which if you are a physical location, you can show a map down here using Google Maps. All of that from start to finish took about 7 minutes. I actually had to run out and grab some Skittles for myself. I was getting kind of hungry. So if you guys want to know some more information on this, if you want to do this on your own WordPress website, or if you want me to do it for you, drop a comment down below. I'd love to chat and see how I can help you with your business. We'll see you on the next video.